Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I'm going to unbag my Cherry Cosmetics order. Let's see, I've got my bag here, and then this is the other bag. So let's get on with the show. So we have this beautiful face oil. It's a serum. Smells really good. I mean, it doesn't smell like anything, super strong or anything like that. And it feels like it doesn't feel super oily, but it would feel really good on the face. So I'm excited to try this out. Really excited to try this out. Look at how pretty that is. That is freaking beautiful. And then I have this. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Okay, so I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, but look at that. That is so pretty. And we're gonna put this on my arm, and you guys can see, look at how shiny it is. And this is the Fairy body oil. It smells good. It smells like lemon. I cannot wait to use this on a day when I'm just going to be outside and just hanging out. Very excited about that one. These cute little butterfly clips and bands for the hair, which I will be able to use those for my little girl. You guys know that she has super long hair and just adorable. So we have this super cute. Oh my god, that smells so good. Pretty. Really nice, just subtle pink to like a clear, but with shimmers. All right, let's wipe that one off. And then we're gonna do Nude Mood. No, that smells so good. Here, I'll put some on my hand. Look at that pretty, like, subtle color. This tastes good too. That is such a cute, look at this cute lippy. Cute little lip gloss. And then the last one is this adorable little one here. And this is the smells so good. Oh, that's super cute. They feel so good on the lips. Look at this. There's no color, but there's a little tiny bit of sparkles. Can you see them? Do you see them? And then we have these adorable strawberry earrings, which I am so excited about. And then we have the lemon earrings, which I'm also super excited about. All right, so I have a mini order from Cherry Cosmetics here. Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am going to unbag my Cherry Cosmetics order. So let's see, I've got a couple little things here. So I have lash tweezers and a lash separator, or a lash brush, and a super cute little, looks like birthday sprinkle. That smells really good. And then I have my Kit Kat, some little butterfly clips, some mushroom earrings, which I'm excited about, these cute little mushroom earrings. Look how cute they are. My little naked body earrings. I don't know. I don't remember what they're called. But yeah, I think they're called goddess earrings. So let's see. I'll show you those. Cool. These are nice. I'm excited. So those are my adorable little things that I got from Cherry Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Alicia. I love them. Please do me a favor. Go check out Cherry Cosmetics. Use my code BrandyCherry10 to save 10% on your order. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you very soon.